Grow, my little pretty. Go away-o. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Ko wai-o. Oh, kia ora, my cussies. It's me, Buzz the Cuss, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I've been thinking about who I am. Ko wai-o. I've got an amazing idea. I can make a self-portrait about me and all the things that make me me. Hoa ke tātou? Ka rawe. All right, I have my easel, my canvas, and my penetai. So, what do I think about first when I think about me? I know. I think about my maunga, my mountain. Okay, let's draw that first. O manuwhiri te maunga. All right, what do I think about next? I know, my awa. Ooh, I'm gonna use kahurangi for that. All right. I love going and spending time at the awa. Okay, drawing my little awa. There we go. Ka rawe. All right, what's next? My marae. Okay. I love going to my marae as well too. I get to hang out with all my cousins and all my family and we play heaps of games. Let's draw the roof of my marae. Ka pai, just like that. I know, I can draw myself. All right, let's just have a little look in the mirror. Ooh, tēnā koe. Ooh. All right, okay, let's start with my bucket hat. I am going to use this colour. Little bucket hat, just like that. Ka pai. Next, I'm gonna draw my face. Okay, I have a similar shaped face as my dad. And then what's next? Oh, oku taringa, my ears. Ka pai. Oh, and my ihu, my nose. And oh, I've got a cheeky grin as well too. My dad and mum said, always smile and share your happiness with people. Oh, I almost forgot. Oku karu, my eyes. Ka pai, that'll do for now. All right, my neck. Next, I'm gonna draw my shirt, and that's blue. Ke korangi. Here is my shirt. Tahi, rua. Oh, and I have pockets on my pants. 3 and 4. Oku waiwai, my legs. And what are my legs and feet in? Oh, they're in my gumboots. Okay, I'm gonna need some different colors for my gumboots. There's one gumboot, and there is my second gumboot. Oh, and a bit of red. I got one more thing I want to draw. My manawa, my heart. Okay, right there. And in my heart is all my friends and whānau. Now to add some finishing touches. Perfect. Do you want to see my self-portrait, cuzzies? Titino, my cuzzies. This is my self-portrait. That's me. And this is my whānau over here. This is my maunga, my awa, and my marae. Whee! This is me. Ka kite anō e te whānau.